Hey everybody, Lou Santiago for Garage Insider TV. Now I'm going to tell you guys about this Woodward Fab throatless shear. Something you want to keep in mind. This thing will cut up to 3/16 thick steel, and it cuts sheet metal with no problem. So it cuts a little bit of plate, cuts a lot of sheet metal. The thing that's good about it, it comes in a 5, 10, or a 12-inch blade. So you got 3 choices to choose from, so no matter what you come up against, you can cut it. I like the bigger one because then you can just tackle anything. It also cuts up to 3/8 bar stock with no problem. All you do is slide this thing in there, pull down the handle, like butter. Something else they've got is they've got these 3-in-1 machines. This is a 12-inch. They go all the way up to 52-inch. There's 4 different models. The thing that's really neat about this, you have a ring roller. This is for your bar stock. This is for your sheet metal. All you do is feed it in, crank it, and it rolls it into a nice circle. You've got a little brake. This one is a finger brake also, so you can bend complicated boxes, and a shear. This thing is neat for little stuff. You need to check their catalog. You can get a paper one, or you can look online for all the specifications of any tools that they have. Remember, Woodward Fab, they're making your sheet metal dreams come true.